What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make $1,000 in 45 days on YouTube. Now, $1,000 is not a lot of money. It's not a huge amount of money. It's not going to change your life completely. However, it's the building block that will get you to $5,000, $10,000, maybe $100,000 in a single month. And I want to show you how to do that, all right? So before I jump into it, I just want to say most people that try to make money on YouTube are doing it the completely wrong way, okay? Everybody's going after views, and views are not going to get you that much money, all right? So here we are on YouTube. Now, what I want to show you, and there's people will look at and watch just about anything. It doesn't matter what it is. People are watching stuff on phones, on business, so my kids watch a lot of stuff on soccer. You can see that stuff here. My wife watches stuff on she watches some clothing hauls, things like that. Okay, people will seriously watch anything on YouTube. But if you want to make $1,000 in 45 days on YouTube, you got to understand what most people do. Most people go after views, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. However, in the beginning, it's not the right way to run your YouTube business. The reason for that is because if on average, and this is like across the board, so my channel, being that I talk more about entrepreneurship and making money online, I get paid anywhere between $10 to $13 per 1,000 views. People that talk about do gaming videos, they're getting paid between $1 to $2 for every 1,000. So it really depends on what it is you're talking about. But and I don't care what kind of videos you create. I want to show you a way that you can actually make money on YouTube. $1,000 in 45 days. Okay? It's actually pretty simple. So, let me show you. On average, in order to get $1,000 in 45 days, you need to earn $22.25 per day. However, the true average, and what I mean by true average is it's about 30 days because it takes between 10 to 15 days to really get your channel to get some views, all right, to get videos up, to come up with your idea and to really plan it out. So your true average is actually $33.35 per day in order to get to $1,000 in 30 days. Okay? Hopefully you understand my math. But how do you do that? Well, this is what I want to show you. So I have a student that went through one of my courses, and he talks about Traxxas and remote control cars. Okay? Remote control Traxxas. Okay, I'm just put that. Okay, now I'm not going to show you his channel, but I just want to show you kind of what he's talking about because he's been doing this. I think this is about 3 months in, and he's doing extremely well. However, he is going to move from just talking about Traxxas to all remote control cars. Okay, and yes, it is very simple to start. Doesn't matter what it is you're talking about. So look here. This one, RC Edition, Dude Perfect. Okay, now they have almost 40 million subscribers, so 76 million views. That's pretty good. But if you look down here, people are talking about Traxxas. People love Traxxas. Traxxas is the brand. Okay, so when it comes to remote control cars, there's people that just want Traxxas. Okay, so you can come down here and see all this stuff. Now, here's what I want to show you. How does somebody make $33.35 per day by doing videos on Traxxas, on remote control cars? Well, it's actually very simple. They promote stuff. Okay, so right here, this is a Traxxas. It's the Easy Peak Plus. It's a battery charger plus the battery. This thing sells for $99. Okay, being that it's in the toys and games category, anybody that promotes something inside the toys and games category, if somebody buys it, you're going to get 4% as a commission. So that means for every one of these you sell, you make $4. Now, here's the cool part. When somebody buys this battery, chances are they're going to buy an extra battery as well. Okay? I'm not sure how much that extra battery is, but let's just say they're going to buy an extra battery as well. Or is this the battery right here? Anyway, let's say it's $60. Okay, so $160. So you're gonna make about $6 to $7 off every one of these you sell because they're gonna buy this plus the battery. Okay, so if you want to get to $33.35 per day, or $22 average from day 1 to day 45, you can do that. But you need to start promoting stuff. Okay, if you look in here, I'm gonna see if let's see, best Traxxas battery charger. Okay, I'm just gonna type that in, just see if anybody is promoting something on Amazon. My guess is somebody will be. Okay, so let me look and see. You'll see, because it'll have an Amazon link. This one looks like they're promoting something to an actual business. This one's promoting something on Traxxas. Let's see. I'm just going to look really quick, and then that's going to be it. Okay. Chances are people are promoting something. So on Traxxas again. Let's see. There's Kev's eBay course. Okay, so he's selling something different. And that's another thing you can do. You can sell courses. But what I recommend is doing affiliate marketing. Okay, the reason why I say do affiliate marketing, and if you can, do it with Amazon. Amazon, in my opinion, is one of the best. Not only because, yeah, people will eventually buy something, but what are the chances that they're going to buy everything? They're going to buy this wheelie bar right here. They're going to buy a new truck, this Ford Bronco, and they're going to buy this for $564. So you're going to make, what is that? You make about $22, $23 if somebody buys this. So from one sale, you could almost hit your goal of $33.35. That's the important part, okay? That's what you gotta understand. Now, let me show you something else. So let's say we're not gonna talk about Traxxas. Let's say you want to do videos on, lotion to cure eczema or something. Best lotion for eczema. There we go. So let's say that's what you want. Now, if we look for the exact same thing, okay, eczema, how do you spell it? There we go. I don't think that's how you spell it. Anyway, eczema lotion. There we go. So let's see what comes up. So this one right here, this one is $15. I don't remember the exact amount that you're gonna make off that. Let's say you make, $1, $2. Okay, let's say you make $1 off that. Great. Okay, you make $1 off that one. You sell this one, you get $1 here, maybe $1 here. You get the point. So all these are gonna add up, and it doesn't matter what your topic is, what your idea is. Let's say you have eczema. Okay, perfect. That's not gonna ruin your life. All you gotta do is learn to deal with it. Okay, so best lotions and creams for eczema or sensitive skin. This person, Brooke Giggs, did a video 2 years ago. She only has 3,700 subscribers. She has 47,000 views on this. Now, if I were to click on this, hopefully she is actually promoting these products. My guess is she isn't. Okay, so let me pause that. Just come down here and look. So no, she isn't promoting it. She has great natural ingredients for eczema, sensitive skin. Okay, great. Follow along, Instagram, Twitter, business inquiries. Okay, but she doesn't actually promote the stuff that she's talking about. Why not? Maybe she had no clue. If she knew, okay, and instead of getting, 47,000 views, let's say she made $2 for every 1,000. So she made, let's say $90 for this video. Okay, great. But what if she was promoting the actual products that she's talking about? Let's see, where is that? So let's say if she was actually promoting this one right here, let's say she can make $1 per sale. Out of 47,000 people, how many people do you think actually bought this exact product? I'd say quite a bit, okay? But that's just me. All you gotta do is provide a link. And that's the best part about Amazon is all you gotta do is click this button right here on the Amazon Associate site stripe, and it will give me a link that I can share to anybody in the world. Now, the reason why I'm so passionate about not just providing value inside of a video, but also giving somebody the shortcut, okay? Giving somebody the pathway that they can go from YouTube straight over to Amazon or to whatever website and buy said product. And I do this because I think that's part of the value. Don't just say, hey, Go to this website, buy this product. It's really going to help you out. Okay. If you can provide a discount code, great, do it. Okay. If you can provide a link to the exact same product you're recommending and you're talking about, do it, because that's part of the viewer experience. Just like if I told you, go check out this product. I just found it on sale over at, Office Depot. You're over on Amazon. You're over on eBay. Go get it right now because it's going to save you like $50. Or it's going to help you because it's going to cure, cancer or something. I don't know. I know there's nothing out there that does it, but you get the idea. If there's something that I can help you with, why not provide a link? Okay. You did all the work. Yeah, you're going to make a small commission from it. It's not going to be, you're not going to get paid like $1 million from it, but what you're going to get is kind of your compensation for giving this person all that advice, all that free information, all that value. And so that's how you're getting paid. That's how you're getting compensated. And so that's what I recommend. Don't go after views. Now, views are great. Views will help you down the line. They will, really build your brand, your channel, your videos. But in the meantime, you need to go after sales. Sales is what's going to get your channel from pretty much nothing to actually making some money. All right, so let me show you this if you haven't seen it already. This is one of my newer courses called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. What I show you here, you can come and scroll all the way down and see the curriculum. You can see it right here. What I show you is, number one, how to set up your channel. Number two, how to actually create the videos quickly and effectively so that you can get some sales. Third thing, I talk about what is the right affiliate partner to go after. Amazon is obviously one of them. The next thing I show you is how to get traffic, how to get views, how to get traffic, how to get sales. All that stuff is extremely important if you want to make money on YouTube. Another thing I show you down here in the free, this is a bonus number one, it's free traffic tactics. 4 different places you can get free traffic. And what I show you here is pretty much worth, and I charge more than that to teach people, but it is $33 for all that stuff. So that's one of the bonuses you get. Okay. Another bonus you get, bonus number 2 is advanced tactics. Show you just different stuff you can come see and kind of read about it. But all this stuff is important to know because it's going to help you get to that $1,000 in 45 days. But like I said, on average, it usually takes about 15 days, 10 to 15 days for somebody to get their channel together. Somebody get the software they need, which I'm showing you some software that's free, plus one that is paid, but it's also very inexpensive. I show you just different ways to go from pretty much beginner from day one, your day 0 from right now, to 30, 45 days in. Even show you a plan. You can see it right here. My 45-day plan explained. I actually show you. Plus, I give you the little worksheet. It's a Google Doc that you can get with it. It's going to help you out and really guide you along the way. Show you what you should be doing, why you need to be doing it in that order, and kind of explain it every single day so you have something to do. But if you want to go and get that course, go and get it. Right now, it's $33. Very soon, probably within the next few days to within a week, I will be upping the price on that course to $67. I already have additional stuff going into that course. So if you get in now, when it's $33, you don't have to pay anything extra, and you can get all the additional videos that are coming in within the next week. So make sure you jump in if you haven't done so already. But what I really want you to understand is if you want to make $1,000 in 45 days on YouTube, it's all about doing the right type of content, okay, and having some type of plan, some type of pathway that people can get from YouTube over to your affiliate product, over through your affiliate links to buy said products. And I highly recommend you do that because those are going to get you to that $1,000 quicker, because there's going to be $5 here, $5 there, $10, $2, $24. They're going to come in chunks instead of $1 here for those 1,000 views, $1 here for those 1,000 views, another $1.50 for those 1,000 views. You do it that way, it's going to be a very long ride, and this is one of the reasons why so many YouTubers actually quit, because they're not making any money. So get there a little bit quicker, start making money now, and then you don't got to worry about quitting. So have any questions on how to make $1,000 in 45 days or really 30 days, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any other questions, whether it's on the course, whether it's on the price, whether it's on YouTube itself, anything. Let me know down in the comment section below. But hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.